Augusta, Missouri. Really does give it. Here. Come on. Here, hold my camera. Here, Augusta, Missouri, right now. Really trying. Oh. Wow. That is so cool. Look at that, Lucas. Is that a funnel? Not yet. Oh, no, not yet. I don't know what this is right now. But we're about to find out in about 30 seconds. That's inflow. Yeah, that's probably inflow. It looks scary. That's something. That really look cool. Yeah, Calvin. That is a funnel. That's a funnel. Heck. That's. Yeah. I think that is, dude. I'm fucking joking. Yes. Are you gonna call the National Weather Service? We don't fucking know yet, dude. I just hope it doesn't form right on top of us. We're about to find out. Can't tell. Really trying. Strong indicator of felicity right there, but I don't think it's connected. Dang it. That was really cool. It's still spinning. Wonder where the clear. I wonder where it would be. You want me to keep holding this? Sorry, buddy. Try. I'm just videoing it right now. It got warmer again. It's dissipating. That was freaking awesome. There's another sound. Yeah.